A soft pull doesn't replace a hard pull. What do you mean by that? My interpretation of it is that even if you do a soft pull, you still have to do a hard pull, right? But then why do a soft pull in the beginning?
Dan, I look at soft pulls and hard pulls like this. When you go to get ice cream, you're given the option to take a sample, right? Before you pick the flavors you want for the sundae, might as well get a little taste of it before you actually commit to fully getting this flavor in a 3-scoop sundae.
Sure.
So
that's actually a good analogy because it's the same sundae. It's the same taste.
It's the same thing. It just, one, you're not fully committing to eating that whole entire sundae.
Probably don't even have to pay for it. It's a lot cheaper. You can say no.
Yes, you can. And you could switch it up. If it's not the right fit for you, you can, without too much of a commitment, you can go to someone else.
It's probably easier, save time.
Yep.
Right?
You save calories too as well.
Save calories too as well. So does a soft pull replace a hard pull?
A soft pull cannot replace a hard pull.
Why not?
Because it's used for pre-qualification.